We have collected the most common HTML markup crimes that have to be avoided. Try to avoid inline styles because they overwrite the default style sheet of the website and breaking the design. Just like inline styles, inline JavaScript doesn't belong to the HTML source and you should try to keep them separated. Every HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is, block or inline. Block elements by default begin in new line and take up the whole width of their container. The tags B and I, these tags are not semantic at all, instead of use strong and M. The BR tag must be used once in a single line for giving a line break in the paragraph.